Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today it's gonna be a little bit of a weird one. We're gonna go ahead and meet Patrick at his house. We're getting ready to tear down his STI hatch, and we're pretty much replacing like a bunch of like stuff on it. So he's trying to like restore it kind of to like an OEM plus type finish. So a lot of the stuff require, like, some items are going to be maintenance stuff, but a lot of stuff requires like attention. I think he's around 100,000 miles on that car. So he's just trying to get it to like a clean build. So we're gonna head over there, and I think we got to stop at our storage unit, drop some stuff off. So we're gonna be pretty much running around all today. So I'll try to get some good footage of his car and my car in their natural habitat, which means that the motor is probably getting pulled. All right, let's go. Let's get it.
Push through everybody.
Pops! Pops! Hey, hey. Haven't seen you forever. Follow me.
Hello.
So we just had to go get some parts from Home Depot.
The Home Depot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We had to get some tools as usual. We just need to start a tool store.
Sponsorship. Milwaukee. Get at us.
Now we're at a buddy's house who's got this taco out here, and we're trying to get some more tools.
His neighbor Bill right there, he's like 80. He used to own an auto shop that he's not in business anymore, so he's got like lifts, a cherry picker. That's what we're at.
Yeah, we need a cherry picker.
But we're also gonna rummage through and see. He gives everything away. He offered my friend his RV for free. And he said sell it and keep the cash. Dude's just giving away everything.
So we need to acquire some items tactically.
So also funny story. He has like 3 cherry pickers, and the one we're getting he bought literally because his wife fell, and his wife is super big. And he bought a cherry picker to lift her back up. It's a true story.
All right, so anyways, we're just out cruising, collecting items, and then we're gonna head back to Patrick's and start working on the Subi. So yeah, I'll keep you updated and let you know when we get there. Right. Woo! Look at that clean Subi. All right, so we ended up getting an engine hoist, and just we're about to run out of time because we were at that place for a while, looking through some stuff. Look at a Subi. Bam, looks clean.
Loves.
This is what we ended up getting.
Need some TLC.
Yeah, but you can't beat it for free. Yeah, I'll get it later. Grab some gloves.
Unlock my cord too.
All right, so right now we're just organizing stuff. We're probably not going to get that much done today, just because Patrick has to go to work and stuff like that. But there's the white beauty, the Moby Dick.
Go over all the.
So what we're doing is clutch.
That's
Flywheel and clutch. Both from ACT, right?
No, the clutch is South Bend. I don't have the clutch yet. That's coming in. Should be today.
So this is the flywheel. Yeah, it's gonna be light, so lighter than stock,
14
obviously.
pounds, yeah.
Yeah.
They're second lightest, and this is an STI Timing Kit.
So that's what we're doing: timing kit, flywheel, and then clutch as soon as that comes in.
Spark plugs, valve cover gaskets, main seal.
So it's gonna be
Probably
fun.
like a new engine. I don't know.
So everything's gonna be easier when we pull the motor. That's why we went and got the stand and the cherry picker. So yeah, so I don't know how much we're gonna get done today, but we're gonna try to get as much done as possible in this next hour, and then do the rest as time goes. We're not pressed for time, but we're gonna go and try to get it all done. Oh, yeah. I said he was blocking the camera.
Oh. A little air in the system.
She's an old girl.
Yeah.
All right, so we're just taking the bumper off and then going from there. His bumper is held on by like zip ties and hopes and dreams. Is there one more? Probably a zip tie. All right, so what we're taking off is all the intercooler piping, all of the covers, so pulley cover, all these extra covers. What else is coming off? You just said it too.
2 front wheels.
Yeah,
just
well,
to make it easier
yeah.
to get underneath.
So we're gonna remove the front wheels, jack the car up so we can get in from the side easier, and then go from there. We do need a little tracking system. I'm gonna try to record everything because we don't want to lose stuff. You just dropped one.
Yeah,
huh?
hit the ground. We're good.
Okay. This is great. All right, let's figure out how we're tracking this stuff. All right, so we're taking the intercooling piping off.
Intercooler.
Intercooling. That's what I said. Intercooling piping.
Yeah, we'll get there.
Whatever. He doesn't want to say it, but there's a bunch of oil in his pipes.
I know there is. It's an EJ. Of course there's some oil.
All right, I'm just doing this for documentation purposes, but we've got all of the intercooling piping in one spot, which I have it over in the cabinetry. Is that proper terminology? The cabinetry. All right, what are you doing? You pulled off the
alternator.
So we got to pull the alternator. We got to pull that piping out as well, cold side. And that might be as far as we get today.
Of course, it's a different size.
Yeah, that's weird. Anyways, I'm gonna probably end the video here because we don't have that much longer because Patrick has to go to work. But yeah.
See it?
So we're just gonna be doing this for the next couple days probably.
I think we make these with like lights built in.
But if you are new to the channel, go ahead and like, subscribe. We're gonna be working a lot on his Subaru, and then some detailing stuff on mine until the rest of the parts come in. So that's pretty much it. Peace out, guys.